Hi friends, today we are making Indian caramelized jaggery chocolate chip cookies. They have the comfort of a classic chocolate chip cookie, plus deep toffee flavor from jaggery, warm cardamom, and a little cashew crunch. This recipe makes 12 cookies and takes about 35 minutes. Let's walk through the ingredients, starting with 1/2 cup unsalted butter, which gives the cookies richness and helps the jaggery caramelize smoothly. 3/4 of a cup grated jaggery brings the Indian caramel flavor, so use fresh, soft jaggery that melts easily. 1 large egg binds the dough and keeps the center soft after baking. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract rounds out the chocolate and makes the caramel notes taste warmer. 1 cup all-purpose flour gives the cookies their classic structure without making them heavy. 1/2 cup whole wheat flour adds a gentle Indian bakery-style nuttiness and a slightly heartier bite. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda helps the cookies spread just enough and brown beautifully. 1/2 teaspoon fine salt balances the sweetness and makes the chocolate taste deeper. 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom gives the cookies a fragrant Indian twist that works beautifully with caramel and chocolate. 3/4 of a cup semi-sweet chocolate chips give every bite those melty pockets we want in a chocolate chip cookie. 1/4 cup chopped cashews adds a light crunch and a familiar Indian sweet shop flavor. We begin the preparation by heating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a rimmed sheet pan with parchment, so the cookies bake evenly and release cleanly. Now that the pan is ready, place 1/2 cup unsalted butter in a small stainless steel saucepan over medium-low heat and melt it gently for about 2 minutes. Once the butter is melted, add 3/4 of a cup grated jaggery and stir constantly for 2 to 3 minutes, until the mixture bubbles, darkens slightly, and smells like caramel. When the jaggery is caramelized, remove the pan from the heat, scrape the mixture into a matte white mixing bowl, and let it cool for 5 minutes so the egg will not scramble. Now that the caramel base is warm but not hot, whisk in 1 large egg for 30 seconds, then whisk in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until the mixture looks smooth and glossy. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon fine salt, and 1/2 teaspoon ground cardamom. Add the dry mixture to the caramel base and fold gently until no dry flour streaks remain, stopping as soon as a soft dough forms. Now fold in 3/4 of a cup semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1/4 cup chopped cashews, mixing just enough to scatter them through the dough. Let the dough rest in the bowl for 10 minutes, which gives the flours time to hydrate and helps the cookies bake up thick instead of spreading too much. After the dough rests, scoop it into 12 equal mounds, about 2 tablespoons each, and place them on the prepared sheet pan with 2 inches of space between each one. Gently press each mound just enough to make a thick round shape, but do not flatten them completely because we want soft centers. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, until the edges are set and caramel brown while the centers still look slightly soft. To close the cooking, let the cookies cool on the sheet pan for 10 minutes, where the centers finish setting and the jaggery edges become crisp. And here are our Indian caramelized jaggery chocolate chip cookies, crisp at the edges, soft in the middle, and full of the deep toffee flavor we promised at the start. Serve them warm with chai, coffee, or a glass of milk. If you enjoyed this easy cookie recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more cozy home cooking.